I've got a Dollar Tree haul. Oop, you can see what that is. I'm going to make up a Valentine's basket for my daughter from just Dollar Tree. So if you want to see how I do that and how to save a little money on your end, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe is in the other room, which is good because I have a little gift for her here. And Bandit is exercising my mom because she's cooking. All right, well, if you are new to our channel, thank you so much for checking us out. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. So today we have a little Dollar Tree haul plus a little surprise for you. So I'm going to put together a Valentine's basket with just stuff from the Dollar Tree for my daughter. I got some really cute finds in here, and if you stay through, you're going to find out what the surprise to you is. All right, so let's get to it. And I believe everything except for maybe one thing was from the $1.25 area. So for those of you who have been with our channel, you all know Chloe is a teenager, and it can be hard to shop for teens, whether they're boys or girls, but this kind of idea you could do for either one. You just would swap out some maybe different things, you know. So for her, I got this little basket here to put everything in. And while the boy might not really like this basket, they do have different color baskets that maybe aren't Valentine's themed. So you could maybe find one that matches the decor in your son's room in a blue or green or a pink if he likes pink, you know, whatever. We're all good with everything here. So this was $1.25, and again, anything that wasn't, I will let you know when I get to it. But if you have a teenage girl, you know it can be a little difficult to shop for them, and particularly my girl, because she has zero needs. Like, there is just nothing that she needs. When it comes to makeup, we've got so much makeup, so much skincare. I'm always, anytime I see Ipsy or FabFitFun or any of the subscription box companies that I subscribe to having pimple patches on sale, I always snag them. So she has all of her needs met. She doesn't need any clothes, really. She has a lot of clothes, you know, it's just Christmas. She got quite a few items of clothing from there. Her school dress is very casual. They're actually discouraged from dressing up because she goes to a VOAG school that specializes in marine sciences. So, you know, it's a lot of hands-on stuff. They're going to get dirty. All right, so I have some tissue wrap to go in there. And again, you don't have to theme it to Valentine's Day. You can, you know, do different colors. They have all different types of tissue wrap there. This is a little more feminine feeling, I would say. But if you wanted something a little more neutral or masculine feeling, you could go with whatever colors, or if your daughter isn't into pink, or son isn't into pink, whatever. Again, not gonna make any judgments on that, right? But if your child or whoever you want to do this for isn't into this color scheme, they have so many different kinds of things at the Dollar Tree. Again, $1.25 for most of these items, most of the buckets there. They do have a section with more storage solutions that are more expensive, but this is just one of their regular little baskets. So $1.25, they've got tons of those. All right, now this was $5. I think this is the only $5 item that I got, but I thought it was a nice little storage solution to put jewelry in, because she does have earrings and rings and all kinds of stuff, just kind of like in this basket. So I thought this would be a nice way to kind of put a lot of that together. And so it was useful, but also quite lovely. It's wooden. It's all wooden. There's no plastic. It has nice hinges. And I thought $5 was a great deal. And the decor you see behind me, those hearts, we got those at Dollar Tree, $1.25. I also got a really nice rug there, like a, right when you walk in, nice and thick. They sell the same kind of rugs at like my grocery store for $12.99. It was $5. So I snagged that because I thought that is a great deal. And it's just a nice little way to change up your entryway that's not going to cost you a ton of money. All right, so I'm going to put this in. I want it to kind of stick out a little bit though. So I'm going to get a little bit more of that wrap and kind of stick it right in there. I'm actually going to take the wrapper that's on the outside of it, so I'm not really wasting any of the wrap. And kind of just placing that right in there nicely. Now my daughter does love a lot of the snacks at Dollar Tree, and she loves pickle flavor, so we got some Cajun Dill Gator Tater, some Three Amigos Elote Mexican Street Corn flavored snack mix, some Mexican street corn pretzel sticks, and these are by Pop Daddy. Their garlic parmesan are the best. Next, we have some Imperial Nuts Berry Yogurt Blend. Again, all $1.25. Some Amos 4D Fruit Gummy Pineapple Bursts. So they're shaped like little pineapples, and when you chew into them, I guess, I've never had this before, a little burst of pineapple juice comes out. Then we have this cute little dog. And some fun sunnies. Some Snoopy socks because Chloe loves Snoopy. How cute is this? This lip gloss with pom pom. Some milk chocolate pretzel rods. There's two, so maybe she'll share. We've got this Master Strokes. It's like a little lippy pink. We have by Scunchie, we have, and that's a name brand, so we have two cute pink little hair things so that she can tie her hair up. And then we have a Jack Links, and I don't know the name brand on this. It just says, oh, Trail's Best. Sticks. This one is hot, and this one is just a smoked turkey snack stick. And there we go. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, I don't know, about 15 items in here, most of which are $1.25. So not too bad. I would say probably with tax around $20, maybe $20 and change for the entire basket. But it has snacks, it has socks, it has a stuffy, it's got a hair item and a little storage solution. So I think a pretty nice looking basket for that. Okay, so what is the secret surprise for you? Now, I'm not going to send you a basket like this because this may not be to your taste. You may not enjoy any of the snack items in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little mini giveaway, a mini subscriber give back. I'm trying to get away from calling them giveaways because they're subscriber give back. So there's something from me to you to thank you for subscribing and for watching our videos and spending some of your precious time with us each day that you do. So we're going to do a $20 Dollar Tree gift card. This is open to anyone, anywhere who could use it. It will only be a Dollar Tree gift card though. It cannot be substituted for a Visa gift card or anything else like that. But I know that they have Dollar Trees in Canada, so my Canadian friends, you are welcome to join. I don't know what that translates to in Canadian dollars, but whatever you can get. I'm going to spend 20 American dollars on it, and whatever that gets you, that gets you. So I'll have all the rules down below, but you do have to be publicly subscribed. So I have to be able to check that you're publicly subscribed. Obviously you have to comment, or how will I even know? And the secret word is Valentine's, right? Because it's a Valentine's basket and it's a little Valentine's gift. So I do want to get this out to you as quickly as possible. So I am filming on the 28th. I'm going to post this on the 29th. So we're going to go until the Friday before Thanksgiving. So that is what, the 7th? I believe 7th? Because I think Valentine's Day is on the 14th. It's going to be the Friday. I'll have that date right there for you. It's going to be the Friday before Thanksgiving. So it's not Thanksgiving. Oh my goodness, Valentine's Day. So that hopefully we can get this to you and you can maybe pick out a nice little Valentine's Day gift yourself. Once I do choose a winner, you will have 48 hours to get back to me. I will try to pin you in the comments if I can. And again, all my rules are down below. You do have to be publicly subscribed and leave that comment, and I will mail it to wherever you are. And hopefully you have use of a $20 gift card for Dollar Tree. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please check those subscriber give back rules down below. Again, this is just from me to you. Neither YouTube nor Dollar Tree have anything to do with it. We just want to, share a little bit of love with everyone. I know, groceries are getting out of this world expensive with the bird flu and all this kind of stuff. So, bring a little joy to somebody's life and, have a little fun doing some shopping. It's always more fun when you have a gift card, right? All right. Well, thank you so much. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe and the like button. Show us a little love over here, and hopefully we'll see you soon.